Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make a delicious creamy tomato soup. And it's easy to make, and I've added the ingredients in the description box. Let's get started. To a hot pan, let's add 1 tablespoon of butter. And now we are going to add 1 clove of chopped garlic, add finely chopped onions, saute for a minute, and when you start to see a light color change, you're going to add all-purpose flour and saute it until the raw smell of the flour is gone. Saute for a while, and then we are going to add canned diced tomato, add dried parsley, or if you have fresh, you can add fresh parsley too. Add half a teaspoon of paprika, add a cup of water, mix it well, and cover and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to turn off the stove and let it cool, and then we have to blend it. After cooling down, let's transfer it to a blender and then blend it. To a pan, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Let's add the blended tomato mixture. Add salt according to your taste. Add half and half cream. After 1 minute, you can turn off the stove, and your delicious, rich, creamy tomato soup is ready. Now let's transfer it. Look at that bright orangish color, and the flavor and the aroma here is superb. Now let's taste the delicious tomato soup. Look how rich and creamy it is. So good, so rich, so creamy, and it's mouth-watering. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.